This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Kim. Introducing this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom 2-story townhome located in the highly desirable gated community of Enclave at Maitland/Montacino. Featuring open floor plan and soaring high ceilings. The kitchen is equipped with newer stainless steel appliances, a touchless sink faucet, granite countertops, 42 maple cabinets, beautiful stained glass window and a convenient closet pantry. You will find modern custom lighting and ceiling fans throughout the home. Check out the luxurious living room with large viewing windows of the private courtyard. The second floor spotlights an exquisite master suite with a walk-in closet, double French doors opening to your own private balcony and a master bath with dual vanities and shower. Upstairs you will also find 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a laundry room closet. The home includes a new air conditioner 2019, new dishwasher 2018 and a 1-car garage. Relax and enjoy the community resort-style swimming pool and cabana overlooking the private lake. Great location, only minutes away from I-4, downtown Orlando, theme parks, restaurants, entertainment, and more. Don't miss out. For more information, review the details below.